In today's guide, I am going to walk you through the entire process of how to connect an Xbox controller to your PC specifically using the Steam built-in drivers. This is by far the most reliable way to ensure your controller works perfectly across your entire gaming library without needing to hunt down third-party software or struggle with unofficial drivers that often break with Windows updates. By leveraging Steam's native controller support, you get access to incredible features like remapping buttons, adjusting dead zones, and ensuring that even older games recognize your modern Xbox hardware. If you find this tutorial helpful at any point, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech guides just like this one. Let's jump right into the first steps of getting your hardware ready. Before we even touch the software side of things, we need to establish a physical or wireless connection between your Xbox controller and your computer. You have two main ways to do this. The most direct method is using a standard USB-C or micro USB cable, depending on which version of the Xbox controller you own. Simply plug one end into the controller and the other into an available USB port on your PC. Windows should provide a small notification that it is setting up the device. Alternatively, if you prefer to play wirelessly, you can use Bluetooth. To do this, press the Xbox button on your controller to turn it on, then hold the pairing button on the top until the logo starts flashing rapidly. On your PC, navigate to your Bluetooth settings, select Add the device, and choose your Xbox wireless controller from the list. Once that connection is solid, we can move into the Steam interface to finish the configuration. Now, go ahead and open the Steam application on your desktop. Once the program is open and you are looking at your library or the store page, look at the very top left-hand corner of the window. You will see the word Steam. Click on that to open the primary drop-down menu. From the choices provided, find and click on Settings. This will open up a new window with a sidebar full of various categories. Scroll down the list on the left until you find the tab labeled Controller. Click on that to open up the dedicated Steam Input Settings page. This is where the magic happens. Steam has a very robust system for handling external hardware, and you will see a section here for external gamepad settings. You want to make sure that the toggle for Enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers is turned on. This allows Steam to overlay its own driver system over the standard Windows ones, providing much better compatibility. Once enabled, look specifically for the section labeled Calibration and Advanced Settings. This area allows you to fine-tune your experience. If you click into this, you can test your thumbsticks to ensure there is no drifting, and you can even set up custom dead zones if your controller is starting to show its age. This level of control is exactly why we use the Steam built-in drivers instead of just relying on the default Windows plug-and-play features. After you have verified that your controller is detected and calibrated to your liking, you are essentially ready to go. One of the best parts about this method is that Steam will now remember these settings every time you plug in your controller or connect it via Bluetooth. You can even customize the look and feel by clicking on the Identify button, which will cause your controller to vibrate so you know exactly which device you are editing if you have multiple controllers connected. To wrap things up, just remember that if you ever run into issues where a specific game isn't recognizing your inputs, you can always come back to this controllers page in Steam settings and ensure that the Xbox support toggle is still active. This built-in driver system is updated constantly by Valve, meaning it stays current with the latest firmware updates from Microsoft as well. It is a set it and forget it solution that makes PC gaming feel much more like a console experience. If this video helped you get back into the game and saved you some frustration, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more 2026 tech tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.